Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2018 335D M Sport Shadow Edition. As you can see, the vehicle is presented in the fantastic black sapphire metallic. Being a Shadow Edition Touring, does come with a wide array of fantastic BMW options alongside, of course, the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. There at the front of the car, it is a facelift model, so we get those fantastic facelift LED headlights. Of course, it also comes with the 19-inch 704M Shadow Edition alloys that we have had just professionally refurbished in the original Bi-Orbit Grey. Behind the alloys, you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes as part of the Shadow Edition package. We've also added the gloss black sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals down the side of the car. It also includes the sun protection glazing as well, and as you can see, is a superb looking touring. Inside the vehicle, we've got a full black Dakota leather, which for drivers and passengers front, not only do they have the wonderful M highlight option, as you can see there, we have got the electric lumbar and heated seat options on those. Harman Kardon surround sound, once again, thanks to the Shadow Edition, and 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, which is going to, of course, work really well with the X-Drive four-wheel drive system. An ISOFIX 3-seat rear bench with a central folding armrest, and of course a darkened M Sport headlining, all of which has been kept in superb condition on this wonderful looking 3 Series Touring. Before heading to the very rear of the vehicle, we'll again show off these wonderful 19-inch alloys, which really finish off this 335D Touring extremely well. Another addition, which is my personal favourite of them all, is the rear spoiler that we do of course add to the vehicle. Again, just giving it that little bit more of an aggressive look. Round the very rear of the car, we've also added the satin rear diffuser. You do of course get the automatic opening and closing tailgate, which then reveals the massive boot space. The seats can also fold down. There is the factory luggage guard and dog guard as well. This is an extremely clean inside example. The boot looks like it's barely ever been used, to be honest. Round at the other side, again, everything's lovely and clean inside. That black sapphire metallic really does work extremely well, especially with all of the nice additions this car comes with. So inside the car, the special features don't stop with just the outside on this car. We've got the professional wide navigation and media screen. Of course, I mentioned the seats are heated in the front. It's not the only thing to be heated. We've got a wonderful heated M Sport steering wheel, and especially at this time of the year, it is of course a really nice thing to have. Having that bigger screen is also wonderful. As you can see there, it makes using that sat nav that little bit nicer to use. It's a really easy system to get to grips with. Real-time traffic updates as well. In terms of the vehicle itself, as you can see, all of the service requirements are in green. 16,000 miles till next service due, meaning you are maintenance free for a long time. Service history is full BMW. The current mileage for the vehicle is just over 36,000 miles. Does come with cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, as well as of course the pedals for that magnificent 8-speed sports auto. It also comes with a Bluetooth telephone and audio, as well as the regular huge amount of options in terms of your multimedia. So that covers you for music collection, online entertainment on this car, DAB and USB and AUX inputs. So there is a look around this magnificent 335D Touring. From all of us here at Your Next Car, we hope you've enjoyed the walk around and been able to find it useful. And as always, if you'd like some more information, if you follow the links in the description, from there take a look at the website, and you can of course find out about this wonderful 335D M Sport Touring. Thank you all so much. Do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.